Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm back with the other interview question. So today we have a question which is very interesting and very easy and very difficult as well. It requires bit logic building. That's it. All right. So what is the question? So we have to find the each product's sale, total sale or total revenue in every year. Like this is the period of this product, 2019 to 2019, 100. So this is the only 1 year product. Okay. But in 2018 to 2019, the product ID is 2. We have to calculate 3 years total. Okay. 2019, 18, 2019, and 2020. Okay. Like we have product ID 3. So we need to calculate 2019's revenue and 2020 revenue. Okay. So let me show you the output. This is the output we have. Product ID 1, 2019, 3500. When it comes to product ID 2, so 18, 19, 20, we have different revenue. Product ID 3, 19, 20, different revenue. Okay. So we have to generate this type of output. Okay. This is the output we want. All right. So how can we do that? So for that, it's very simple. We will use the recursion in CTE. Okay. So this is the very anchor query we have. Okay. So what we're going to do here is product ID and period start and period end and average sales. Okay. All right. And now union also. First of all, let me create a CTE of this query. All right. As perfect. So we're gonna start with this three rows. Okay. Then after that, what we're gonna do here is we'll build a logic. What logic will add each product ID's product start day with 1 day. Okay. So we're gonna use date add function. With the help of date add function, we're gonna increment every date by day one, and it will that's how we'll calculate every month's data we have. Okay. So like we'll change the year, then again month date will start from the 1st of January till to December. Okay. So whatever the sales would be, so that's how we'll calculate the values. With the help of year function, we'll extract the year from the date. All right. So just be with me, you will get this. Select. Okay. And what we want product ID. Select product ID, intelligence. Okay. Product ID, and now we're gonna use date add. Okay. Date add. In the date add, we're gonna have day. Okay. With one. And what is the function? What is the column? Period start. All right. And period end. Period end and average daily sales. Okay. From CTE. Okay. Where date add day period start is less than or equal to date end. Period end. Okay. So the condition, the logic is whatever the dates we have in this, the date should be less than from this date. Okay. Like we have, we're gonna have the date. For example, the logic will start from here. Okay. So 1 day will add from start from this date. Okay. 2nd of February. No, sorry, 2nd of December, 3rd of December, 4th of December, 5th of December. Date will remain be like this. 31st, 34th of January. So 31st of January will be a constant date, and it will keep on adding 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. Then after that, it will not cross this. So because we have condition here. All right. Select strict from. All right. Okay. Now we have to use the recursion. So option max recursion. Okay. Recursion 39,000. 32767. All right. 32767. This is the maximum limit. Right. So this is the data we have. Okay. So the logic start from here. So these three rows are the actual rows, and we have implement the logic from this row, and we are just adding one one row, one day in each date. Okay, so the last date is 31st of January, and it will keep on adding till this date. So the product ID is 3, and it will stop here. Okay, 31st of January, 31st of January, because the logic will be like this. The date should be less than from this date. The period end date should be greater than that in any case. All right. So what we're gonna do here is, what we will do. We will calculate the average daily sales. Okay, but before that, we'll extract the year from this. Okay, period, product ID, and period start, and in the period start, we'll extract year. Okay, now what we want, what is in the output, and total sales. Okay, average sales, we'll use a sum function. All right, all right, CT, and we'll use a group by product ID and this period. Okay, all right, run this. We done almost 2018, 2019. So let me sort it. Order by product ID. Okay, now give the name of some years and total sales. All right. So product ID 1 2019, this much amount. 2018, the product ID 2310. Okay, 2019 3. All right, all right. The perfect actual output. Okay, all right. So let me give you an idea what we done in this. So first of all, we just use the recursion in. So what is just build the logic? What the logic we build? We have used this data add function, and we just incrementing our day. Okay, so we are using the data add function. We are just incrementing with every one day, and we were reaching on the last day of that, so that we can change the year. And with the help of this logic, we can calculate all the days between those years. Okay, so with the help of those, it will calculate the number of rows, and number of rows, with the help of number of rows, we will use the sum function, and with the help of that, we'll multiply with this. Okay, so the total number of rows, for example, the total number of rows for 2019 was 3500. Not 3500, 35 rows we have, because the total average sale was 2019 for product ID 1 is 35 per 100. Okay, like sales. Okay, so let me give you the total number of sales for product ID 1 in 2019. Okay, 100 sales, so that means we had 35 rows. Okay, 35 rows for 2019, and 3 31 10 rows for 2018 for product ID 2, like 2018 to 2020, 10 rows. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's all, for this, and it's quite tricky, and you just need a good knowledge of these functions. So that's how you can do this. So guys, if you have any question, if you have any doubts, so just put the comment. And thank you so much for your time, and keep learning. And just if you have any feedback for me, share it with me. All right, so thank you so much guys for your time. Goodbye.